Hey guys, this is Relics of Kentucky. I don't know if you can see the ground, but there's flint everywhere. Rivers come up and washed off this bank. And I've got three points marked. And I thought I'd see if I could find one while you guys are watching. I found a bunch of other broken stuff, some tips and a couple of bases. I started out across the ditch there, come up on this rise and walked right down through here. You can see the circle on the ground there. Got one there, and the other two are right over there. But this is some of the broken stuff. This piece here was the first piece I found. It's really thin. It would have been super. Anyway, here's the base of one. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Maybe we'll get lucky. Tip's gone. Another good little Fort Ancient style point. Would have been dandy. But the water's just stripped everything kind of bare. And just left this flint, just deposits of it just everywhere. Well, let's go over here. These points I found, I'm dying to pick them up. Okay, here's the first one. See it right there. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty good one. A little ding on the corner there, the base. It's a dandy though. Nice and thin, well made. Really cool tip. Nice point. Walk over here to the other one. It's right there. I got a corn stalk sticking up to mark it. Right here. I saw this one from about 15 feet away. Pretty nice looking point. There's a base laying right here beside it. Let's get it. The Fort Ancient base, really pretty material. Nice point. Thin. Cool. Alright, we'll walk over here to this other one. I got it marked there with my stick. I could see it from a pretty good distance away too. Like I say, man, the water when it fell out of here, it just scoured everything, just stripped it all this top loose stuff off. This one looks like it's gonna be a dandy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet. Really nice relic. All right. Okay. Well, I've been here maybe 20 minutes. I've already found this stuff. Hopefully I'll be back.